Hello everyone. Today we will dive deeper into the robolaunch web platform and work on NVIDIA Omniverse on a workstation. We will continue with Isaac Sim using NVIDIA Omniverse. We will also use ROS2 in Isaac Sim. Let's get started. As you remember, we have to log into our cloud account at demo-ue.robolaunch.cloud. I had a workstation called test application from the last video, as you know. I will use the left bar to navigate. Organization. Select organization. Region. Instance. Namespace. Application. Here we are. My choice is the remote desktop via the VDI tab. Okay. When creating the application, we select the pre-installation that came with NVIDIA Omniverse. Let's launch the Omniverse and install Isaac Sim 4.1, Change, and Navigator. So right now, we only have NVIDIA Omniverse and Ubuntu 22/4. Next, we clone the Isaac Sim Launcher package from the robolaunch repository on GitHub. Here we'll follow the instruction in README file. As you can see, this package has been tested under ROS2 Humble, Isaac Sim 4.1, and Isaac Lab v1.1.0. There are a few prerequisites. We will do some of them in a moment. Now, update and install Git, and clone the repository with recursive submodules. First, we change the directory with workspace because this is granted. Okay. Now we don't have any ROS distribution yet. If you have one, you can still take a look at what is done in the shell script or do it directly. Let's install it using install-ros.sh. Okay. I will speed up this part for you. Okay, we have ROS2 humble right now. Let's update the bashrc file. It's located under your user directory. If it isn't there, feel free to create one yourself. Copy and paste the code block. Don't forget to check the Isaac Sim launch directory variable. I cloned it under my user directory, so this variable is as it should be. Okay. I will not install Minikunda and Isaac Lab for now, but if you follow the instruction, you will install them without any error. Install dependencies for the ROS workspace. Okay, everything is fine. Also, you can launch Isaac Sim directly. And load the example application, for example, the Carter robot. Play the simulation. And look at the simulation status. Now check out the ROS2 topics. visualize via ROS2. As you can see, it is working very well. In today's video, we observed Isaac Sim performance on NVIDIA Omniverse on the robolaunch web platform and established the ROS2 connection with Isaac Sim. This was also a demonstration of how powerful, scalable, and easy to develop robotic application the robolaunch web platform is. If you want more details about robolaunch, the robolaunch web platform, or our projects, contact with us. Thanks for watching.